Hi, my name is Katie, and today I will be taking the Geek quiz Java Basics. So we have question one: what is the correct way to declare a Java main method? So probably doing quickly. No, no. I'm gonna call this one. Is that one? Right. Yeah. Next we have question two: what is the output of the following Java program? So public class main. Right. So here we declaring our variable and we're pulling it my var equal 20. System output print my var equal to 20. Um, which of the following is not a Java feature? Platform independent Java oriented dynamic language. Let's say platform independence. Um, okay. Question four. Which component is responsible for converting bytecode to machine code? That will be Java that is a Java virtual machine. Now we have question five. Which part of the JDK is used to run Java programs? That is a JRE. And then we have question six. Java code is compiled into which intermediate form? I'm going to, it's bytecode. Okay, and then we have question seven. Which Java feature ensures code written once can run anywhere? Um, that is platform independence. Yeah, it's platform independence. Okay, I got 85% for this, and I only got one question wrong. Okay, now we are going to do the quiz for Java variables. So, starting with question one, which of the following is true about variables name in Java? A variable name can start with a number, variable names can contain special characters, variable names are case sensitive, variable names can be any type of keyword. I'm going to go case sensitive. Now we have question two. Um, what is the correct way to declare a constant variable in Java? Final inputs. Nope. No. I'm gonna go with A. Okay. Next we have question three. Okay. What will be the output of this Java program? So public class demos, we putting demo. And is 10. When you say in access to but this it doesn't make sense. I'm going to say compilation error. Okay. Next we have question four. Which keyword is used to declare integer variable in Java? That is a int. Question five. Which of the following is a valid integer literal? Question six. Which of these perform explicit typecasting? So the and X. I'm going to say this. Okay, and then we have question seven. What is the default value for an uninitialized int variable in a class? So we have 0 now, garbage value 1. I am going to go 0. And then we have question 8. Um, which type of casting happens automatically in Java? Narrowing, widening, reference, explicit. I'm gonna go with widening. Sorry. I scored 87% for this quiz and I only got this one wrong. Um, and now we are moving on to Java operators. Here we have question one. So What will be the output of the following expression? Here we have system output print line 10 divided by 3. I will say that will be 3. Correct. Moving on, we have question 2. What was the output of this Java snippet? Here we have int a equal to 5, so system out print line a plus plus plus. Okay, so a is 5, so here we incrementing, this automatically becomes 6. So here we take the 6 that we got and we increment it and it will become 7. And then we take the 5 plus the 7 and that 5, 7, 8. And then it should give us 12. Okay. Now we have question 3. What is the result of true and false or true and true? It will be true because if it's the same after okay, that is correct. Now we have question 4. What will be the output of the ternary operation? So int a equals to 10, b equals to 20. And when a is less than b, that is true. So a is 10, and then we have b, which is 20. Print one, that will be 10. Which operator has the highest precedence in Java? That will be multiplication. Which operator is used for addition in Java? It's the plus. And then we have question 7. What JS? Oh, sorry. Not JS. What is the result of 7% in 7% in 3 in Java? That will be 1. Which class is commonly used for taking console input in Java? So we have Fabulous Scanner and Writer Scanner. Which of these is not a logical operator in Java? I got 100% for this section, and I think this is where I'll end the recording.